This is a tutorial video about 5 basic application of computer, 5 parts of the CPU and its function, 5 input and output device and its function. So let's begin to 5 basic application of computer. Number 1 is education. Computer have supplied infinity resources for learning and made education more flexible and easy to access. Students can now gain knowledge. Here are some uses of computer in education: to do homework and inquiries, to do advanced research, to take online class, to write books, to participate in education contests. And number 2 is personal use. Computer can also use for personal purpose. One can use computer system to keep all the day-by-day details that are essential to keep anywhere. You can use it for personal things such as investment, incomes, savings, and also internet browsings, email, and any digital messages. We can use Messenger, Telegram to communicate with anyone about business and more. And number 3 is computer programming. Computers are used to develop programs for all types of industries. Systems programming cover data and programs management, including operating system, controls programs, network software, and database management system. And number 4 is communication. Now, computers are used to the internet and provide mass communication or the exchange of information on a large scale. Today, this means communication across the entire world through the web can communicate with each other, just like using Messenger or email to text or send information. Number 5 is entertainment. Today, computers are used in a variety of areas for entertainment purpose. The technology is used for streaming and watching videos, listening to downloads of music, playing video games. One of the popular form of entertainment in computers is games. Next is the 5 parts of the CPU and its function. Number 1 is main storage. The same function of main storage or memory is data and the instruction, intermediate result, and the final result of the processing. And number 2 is control unit. The function of this unit are responsible for controlling the transfer of data and instruction among other unit of computer, and it does not process or store data. Number 3 is ALU or arithmetic logic unit. Have two sections, the arithmetic and logic section. The function of arithmetic section is to perform arithmetic operation just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Function of logic section is to perform logic operation such as comparing, selecting, matching. Number 4 is bus. A bus is a highly speed internal connection. A bus are used to send control signal and data between the processor and other components. The computer buses are wire in various form that connects various electronic components. Number 5 is register. A small amount of high-speed memory contained within the CPU. They are used by the processor to store amount of data that are needed during process. So let's proceed to the 5 basic input and output device and its function. Number 1 is keyboard. A computer keyboard has alphabetic, numeric, and function key for the entry of information. Number 2 is mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that controls for pointing, moving, and selecting text, icons, files, and folders on your computer. Number 3 is graphics tablet. Graphics tablet is a flat portable pad which allows the user to draw, write, and perform. It is used by the graphic designers and the illustrator. Number 4 is light pen. A light pen is a light-sensitive computer input device, basically a stylus that is used to select text, draw pictures, and interact with user interface elements on a computer screen or monitor. Number 5 is digital camera. Captures image in electronic form for immediate viewing on a computer screen or TV. This image can be stored and manipulated using computers. Output device. Number 1 is monitor. Is electronic device used to display video output from the computer. And number 2 is a printer, a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfer the information to paper. Number 3 are speaker, an output hardware that functions to issue the result of processing by the CPU in the form of audio and sound. Number 4 is plotter, are used to print graphical output on paper. It interprets computer commands and make lines drawings. Number 5 is computer output, microfilm. Is a process for copying and printing data into microfilm. from electronic media found on personal, mini or mainframe computers.